We need to go shopping this weekend.
Really? What do we need to buy?
I need a new dress for my cousin's birthday party. My old one is too small now.
Okay. I also need some new jeans. Mine are torn.
And you said you wanted a shirt for work.
Right. Maybe a blue or white one.
I'd also like to buy a warm sweater because it's getting colder.
Good idea. I think I need a new jacket too.
Let's go to the shopping center after lunch.
Perfect.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a red dress.
We have these dresses over here. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
And I'm looking for jeans and a shirt.
These jeans are very popular.
I like them. Can I try them on?
Of course. The changing rooms are over there.
What do you think of this dress?
It looks great on you.
Thanks. And your shirt looks nice, too.
I think I'll take it.
Hello, are you ready to pay?
Yes, please.
The dress is 40 pounds and the jeans are 35 pounds.
Oh, are there any discounts today?
Yes, the shirt is 20% off.
Great! How much is it now?
It's 24 pounds instead of 30 pounds.
That's a good deal.
Your total is 99 pounds.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Thanks.
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.